Next, you'll need this piece. It's the last piece. You'll need to fold all of them inward. And you see these little holes? You see how it's a little bit littler and these are bigger? Put the bigger parts in the littler holes and it'll stay. And when you put the last one in, it'll stay just like that. Now you'll need this piece. You need to put this box in. Oh my God. And if it breaks, and if it gets out of shape, don't worry, just try again. I'm having trouble too. And just like that. Now you'll need some other sheets. You'll need sheet E and F. You need 3 parts from sheet H.